Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a new event. To create a new event, let's go on New, Event. You find the same function on the left column of your WordPress menu and you can click Add New. So let's just put some random title, my event, and here you add your description. If you want to use Page Builder for the event creation, as in our demo contents, you can go in the Page Builder content settings and go on Role Manager, which I'm now opening on a new tab, and under Post Types choose Custom and then choose Evenz Event and then save. Once done, after my publishing, this will have the possibility to use Page Builder. If you want to use any Page Builder content block, just click here and you are good to start. So, in our demo, we are going to use some theme shortcode and we are going to use, for instance, let's see, something nice like a carousel, and we are going to add a team members carousel, which is good, for instance, to display the speakers of the event, and we are going to put 5 of them. Underneath you can see the event details. There is a start and end date, and there is a time start and there is a time end. It is very important to set the end time and date if you want to add the Google Calendar button to your event page. So let's just set some future date. And some time. When you create the time settings, these fields are going to use your default browser and time zone settings and format. So if your computer is set to use 12 hours or 24 hours format, this field is going to use the same format. But you are free to choose any output format in the front end by using the 12 hours format setting, which you can find in the customizer under the event settings tab. This field is useful to set any external link. It can be a Facebook event, it can be an external purchase website, or every other external resource you want to link. So we can link, for instance, to http quantumteams.com. And by enabling this button, we will see the Add to Calendar function in our event page. Now it comes to the location part. What is important to note here is that we have two proper event location and address field, but then underneath, if you are using as well the Qt Places plugin provided with the theme, you will have a more detailed part to add the location settings, but we will see it in the next tutorial. For the moment, we are just going to set a location address. So let's use something from the cache. And then we can put any phone number. In the last part, you find a section to add the ticket buy links. You can add unlimited buy links for any event. So this is useful to add different links for single tickets, multi-days ticket, or a corporate discount, or any other link you want to add, or even ticket to the same service but on different external websites. So we can add a link like buy ticket, and here you can add any link like ticket1.com. Optionally, you can also enable the blank target. In this way, if you are not selling the ticket with WooCommerce in your same website, you are sure that your original website will stay open when people click the button. To add another link, we just click the plus button and we just use a custom label, of course with your specific link. On the right column you can see other interesting settings. So you have conference and seminar, which are two already created event types. You can choose them or you can add your own. So we can add concert, for instance. This will automatically create your taxonomy archive page. Under the event type, you have the possibility to add an order attribute. This can be useful in case you have multiple events starting at the same exact date and time, and it will be used as additional ordering parameter for your output in the front end. Under the post attributes, you have the featured image. The featured image will be used as background and header for your event. So you make sure that you are not uploading a poster, a flyer or similar stuff. This needs to be a clear picture, good for a background. Once you're done, just click update. And then let's go to see our event. Here we go. So we have the slider created with the post carousel. Then we have the event details, the sharing functionalities, and this is a widget set in the sidebar section, and the Google Add to Calendar. It's important to remember that when you click Add to Calendar in Google, the time and date that you see are based on your specific Google profile time zone. So if the server and the website settings are, for instance, in the United States, but you are watching it and your Google profile is from, for instance, Shanghai, this time is not going to be the one that you see here, because it's going to be automatically adapted on your own time zone. You can change your personal profile time zone by using the Google's settings here. This is pretty much all about the event creation, and we are going to make now a new tutorial to explain how to use the event schedule and the Qt Places details in order to create a nice program schedule and a map of all the events across the world. Thank you for watching.